Hello student, I am Professor Patil. Welcome all in my YouTube channel Kiran Mathematica. In previous lecture, we were discussed about structure and curriculum of Engineering Mathematics 3. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about important topic for Unit 1, linear differential equation is synthetic division. In this lecture, we will learn what is synthetic division method and how it will apply for finding roots of polynomial equation. So student, I have delivered previous lecture in complete English language, but many of the students suggest me make it video in Hindi or mix of Hindi and English language, so that it more understandable and more useful for them. So for all those students, we are going to deliver next lecture in Hindi as well as English language. So start the lecture. Let's look at how to do this using the example. The polynomial is 5x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus x plus 6, and we have to check x minus 3 is one factor of this polynomial or not, that is 3 is root of this polynomial or not. For that, we are dividing this polynomial by x minus 3, and if we getting remainder is 0, then we conclude that x minus 3 is one factor of this polynomial, and that is 3 is root. So start. In order to use synthetic division, these two things must happen. First is there must be a coefficient for every possible power of the variable, and second is the divisor must have a leading coefficient 1. So start the procedure. Step 1 is write the terms of the polynomial so the degrees are in descending order. मीन्स हमें क्या करना है इस स्टेप में, पहले तो इक्वेशन के हर एक टर्म को लिख देना है. कोई एक टर्म नहीं होगी इक्वेशन में तो उसे भी लिखना है और उसका कोएफिशिएंट 0 लेना है, एंड पूरे इक्वेशन को ऐसे लिखना है कि डिग्री आर इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. स्टेप 2 इज राइट द कांस्टेंट a of the divisor x minus a to the left and write down the coefficients. Firstly, write down all coefficients and a is equal to 3 in left side of that coefficient as shown in this picture. Now we go to step 3. Bring down the first coefficient 5. That means क्या करना है हमें, जो फर्स्ट कोएफिशिएंट है 5 उसको वैसे के वैसे नीचे लिख देना है. ये हो गई स्टेप 3. नाउ स्टेप 4 इज मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट कोएफिशिएंट बाय 3. दैट इम्प्लाइज वी मल्टीप्लाई 5 by 3. We say this diagonal multiplication and the answer is 15, and write 15 below the 0. Next step 5 is after multiplying in the diagonals, add the column. Now we add the column, that is doing addition of 0 plus 15, and answer is 15. Then we go to step 6. Step 6 is multiply the sum 15 by r, that is 15 multiplied by 3 is 15, and place this number under the next coefficient, then add the column again. So same as step 4 and 5, we multiply by 15 by 3 diagonally and write it below the minus 4, and then add column, that is minus 4 plus 45 is 41. Now step 7 is repeat the same procedure as step 6. As by steps 5 and 6, we continue this procedure, and last we get 378, not getting 0. That implies the factor x minus 3 is not a factor of polynomial equation. मतलब रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आया है, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारा फैक्टर था x माइनस 3 ये गिवन पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर नहीं है, मतलब 3 is not a root of that polynomial. Now after that you can take any factor by try and error method and check it check it is factor or not. So today we stop here, and next lecture we will start unit 1.